Get into the 2023 Volkswagen Atlas. Explore your world with confidence in this solid, tech-savvy Atlas. It leverages advanced safety and connectivity tech to keep you secure and entertained, while its spacious, comfortable cabin lets you relax and enjoy the ride. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: panoramic roof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, power liftgate, fog lamps, satellite radio, alarm, electronic stability control, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC. Take every task in stride in this can-do Atlas. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.